Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to take a screen recording on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. To take a screen recording on this device, you need an additional application. Well, first thing first, install please this application. After that, open it. Then give it permission to access photos and media on your device. Next, allow this application to record audio while using. Then here will appear several tools: record, video, brush, and camera. So click next. Then here will be shown the way to remove the app shortcut from screen. And then click next. So here you can also use the notification panel to control recording. And then click start. Next, to change audio recording preference, you can set it in the settings menu. So here you can change the video settings as you need. Then to start recording, click on the shortcut. Then tap on this icon. Then select the video resolution and click start now. Okay, so the way to stop the record, you can click here. Then tap on stop icon. Well, that's the tutorial on how to take a screen recording on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.